As small business owners, we face a lot of challenges. And lately, words like inflation, fear, recession, war, strife are all coming up more and more. And many times we think the best course of action is just to dive right in and have no plan. We end up wasting time, we end up wasting money, we get overwhelmed, we feel frustrated. But the better option is to have a strategic plan. Then nothing's wasted, we're more efficient, we have confidence, we have clarity, and we have purpose. Dr. Stephen Covey said, all things are created twice. There's a mental or first creation and a physical or second creation. So we've created a workshop called Growing Your Business Effortlessly. This is going to happen on July 15th, and we can't wait to work with you on your strategic plan. That way you end up with more clarity, confidence, and purpose inside of your business. We're going to cover these 5 topics and more. If you go to oursuccessgroup.com/grow, you can learn more and you can register right there. We have 2 options. There's the live workshop that's available for only $29, or you can be part of the VIP experience and get that live workshop plus recorded access and much, much more. Go to oursuccessgroup.com/grow to register. There are limited seats available, so sign up right away.